I paid $800 for this 2002 Toyota Celica GTS 6-speed manual transmission. And it runs. Well, kind of, because it has a misfire, and that's why they were selling it so cheap. It needs everything, but who cares? It was an opportunity I just couldn't pass. This guy had two cars selling. One was $5,000, and then at the very bottom, it said that he had another one for $1,000. It said it has a misfire, but you know what? I said you don't come across this ads all the time, so I said let's go look at it. Let's go check it out. If it's worth it, project car, let's do it. How long is this gonna take me to get it back in the streets running? I don't know, but all I know is I have a GTS in my possession now, and I'm not letting it go. It's been sitting here in the driveway for about 4 months now, but I decided to start working on it. As you can see, everything's all greasy, nasty. It's all dirty inside and out. So we'll start with the basic stuff, the smallest stuff, the easy stuff, things I can fix. I'm not a mechanic, but these cars are old now, so there's a lot of content on YouTube. So I'm pretty sure that, if I have a problem or something, or there's something I can't fix, we have YouTube, and I have you guys, my YouTube family. So please leave a comment. Any suggestions, I'll be reading them. I'll be answering them. And as you can see, this car needs a lot of love. But it's all right. I gotcha. I'm going to give you love. First thing I'll be changing is the shocks for the trunk, because the ones it has, they're no bueno. You can see those are too short. I don't know who put those on there, but we'll see. We'll change them, and it'll be the first thing that we change on the Celica, and hopefully they fit. We'll do the before and after. Obviously, this is the before. It won't stay. They're too short, plus they're too old. But there you go. It's got some new shocks anyways. Whoa, those are some good shocks. Well, there you go, guys. I said I'm gonna borrow these ones, because those tires are beat up. So take this one out.
Alright, 1 down, 3 to go. We only need 3 more. I don't know how it looks, but it's just for a little bit, just so I can get some new tires soon. We can be able to move that one.
Jeez. There's not much space here, but we'll make it work.
It's pretty tight, but I really don't want to move the car because I need to get the battery from the other one, so I can get this one going and need to get it out, move the other one out of the driveway. So anyways, should work. We'll see how it goes for the front, because there's not that much space on the front, but try to work it. Try to make it work.
Alright, so it's nighttime.